Siemens CPU 224. How to communication. First port my port COM3 and open Microsoft Microwin. Now to selecting PC PPI cable and properties. Now selecting COM3 and OK. Now to communication. Now to double click and searching CPU. My CPU is select searching. Now OK, click. Now to go to upload and download option. Now to I'm selecting open file. My already programming file is open. Program already. Now to download program for PLC. Program is install PLC. Now to test it. Test PLC is run mode on and selecting button. First press push button on off output. I am using programming cable PC to PPI multi master cable use.